So she is in the parts washer. That's water coming in. And we'll see exactly what happens after the wash. Well, this is a little after. Cleaned up very nicely. And even the bottom looks pretty good. After the parts washing. That's what this guy looks like. Not sponsored, but sponsor us. Snap-on. Yeah, you guys saw all the parts were disgusting. The oil pickup was disgusting. Just little tiny little pieces left, but that's all cleanable. For like a brush, but everything is like night and day difference. Way cleaner, and I can go through with a little Scotch-Brite, clean that little stuff up. But yeah, looks way better, all cleaned up.